Hello, dearest, dearest creative beings and all friends. Hey, today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Have you known that when you do that, you can't get depressed? Try it out. Today, I want to speak to you about positive and negative thoughts. Very often in my workshops, there are coming people, soul painters, and when there is a challenge situation, means when they have a state while painting which is challenging, and then they come into mind, and then they start thinking, and then they start thinking negative, then they also will see negativities on their painting. That means they get unsatisfied, and it's like a spiral. So first is the thought of negative thoughts, and then they will find that they are not good painters. Then they will feel, oh, the whole drawing is bad, and then I observe the others. They like this painting, so it means this kind of thoughts are so subjective. It is only in our own heads. It is the same story what we are telling us when we get affected by negative thoughts. So I wish for you that you observe that a little bit. Observe means also that you observe at maybe which time you get negative thoughts. When do they affect you really? At which time? And when you know that, which time it is, then it's very easy to stay alert. And then if you get negative thoughts, on one hand, you immediately can say, I'm only the observer. I don't go into that thought. You can say to yourself, I'm not thinking this. This is my brain or my body who thinks it, but I'm not my body. and I'm not my brain. I have to be something else. I am a creative being. I am a soul. And this creative being and this soul, it does not think at all, and it does not think negative also. So I wish you that you join this adventure of life and observe this in your